BricsCAD has a library of parametric form features. To access form features, open Components panel. To use a form feature in the model, just choose a necessary type and position it on a face. The parameters controls the dimensions of each form feature, such as length, width, height, and diameter. To position a form feature, dynamic dimensions can be used. Use the Replace tool to replace one form feature with another. Need to create an array of a form feature? You can with the Array option when inserting. Array of form features can be oriented along custom direction, like along the edge.